ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। Hello friends, welcome to Sikh History Sakhi podcast. I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. In today's episode, we will learn how Gorakh Mata became Nanak Mata. In the last few episodes, we discussed that Guru Nanak Dev Ji is at Gorakh Mata and the sadhus there are trying their best to either send Guruji away or make him join them. When all of their attempts fail, scared that Guruji might take their place, they try one last attempt to send Guruji away. Friends, during the night, these sadhus had dug up a hole in the land and made a sadhu child sit in it. And then they covered it with soft earth and leaves so that whenever they asked, the child will answer, and it will seem as if the land replied itself. In the morning, they went to Guruji and said, "We cannot win this war like this. Let us decide who does this land belong to." Guruji said, "I do not claim this land." Then the sadhus said, as mentioned in Sri Nanak Prakash, "Je tarni tu eh hamari, to uttar dije tre vari, मैं सिद्धन की कहो पुकारी." Meaning, let the land decide this itself. If it says our name, it is ours, and if it says your name, it is yours. We shall ask the question 3 times to fully confirm. Then the sadhus asked, "O dear land, who do you belong to?" A voice replied, as mentioned in Sri Nanak Prakash, "सुन सिस बोल्यो धर्न मुजारी, मैं सिद्धन की नित अनुसारी." Meaning, listening to this, the child in hiding replied, "I belong to the sadhus. I belong to the sadhus." The sadhus asked for the second time and got the exact same answer. Guruji, who was watching all this and knew that they were playing a con, at third time said, as mentioned in Sri Nanak Prakash, "Ablo bolan uchit rahyoi, sunat peo mirtik sissoi." Meaning, you are still able to speak. Let me ask, whom do you belong to? No one responded. The sadhus were shocked. But then a voice replied, "Nanak Mata, Nanak Mata, Nanak Mata." The shocked sadhus quickly went to the child and were shook to find the child lifeless, and were ashamed of themselves, because the land replied itself Nanak Mata. After this, 2 sadhus named Prannath and Mangalnath went to Guruji, bowed to him and humbly requested, "O Supreme Guru Nanak Ji, we have seen you are the true image of the Almighty. The rest of us are blinded by the ego of power. They are unable to see the real you and are being foolish, playing tricks on you. We beg of you to please make the child alive and return the things of Gorakhnath." Guruji accepted their request. He returned the things along with his supernatural powers. And with Guruji's blessings, the child lived. And as mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 1142, Satgur mera sarb pratpalai, Satgur mera maar jivalai. Meaning, my true Guru is the sustainer and cherisher of all. My true Guru kills and revives. Thus, this land came to be known as Nanak Mata. The sadhus were just a little distant from the true path. They gained valuable knowledge. Guruji impressed upon them to live a pious and active life while being in remembrance of the Almighty. I hope this brings some value to you and your family. Thank you.